In this particular video, we'll talk about Python strings. What are strings? Sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes or double quotes are considered as a string in Python. We have seen so many string examples throughout our course. Now we'll see another one. I'll take A and I'll take my own name here. Santosh Kumar, yes. Let me try to print this. Print A. Save it. Run it. Oh, it prints as it is in our terminal. Now let's check the type. So type of A. Obvious. It's a string. Okay, fine. So what's special about this video? What if I tell you I can access each of its characters one by one using its index value? So if you ask me what is index value starts from 0 and all the way to the length of this particular string. In this particular example, index value 0 points to yes, index value 1 points to A, index value 3 points to N, and so on. So if you want to access, sorry for the typo here, index value 2. So if you want to access N, okay, which is at the index value 2, you just have to pass index value in the bracket. Type 2 here, save it and execute it, and here you can access the value using the index number. So that is one specialty. Now what is the second specialty? Second specialty is about slicing. Slicing is nothing but cutting a string into specified terms, okay, our own terms, our own rules. So how do we define our own rules? First, let's understand what is slicing is. Slicing is cutting string, okay. Like I said, it has three components. One is start. It represents from where should I start cutting, okay. And second is end. Where should I end? Where should I stop the cutting process? Okay. The last thing is step. I'll tell you each one by one in my next video. Thanks for watching.